Let's start. The project name is Glide Library. Glide Library handles the image processing and loading an image into the image view while handling the memory management efficiently. Let's see the project structure. In the build.gradle file, set up the view binding like this. Then we integrated the Glide library. Add the internet permission in the manifest file. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have an image view. 3 buttons, load image as bitmap, and clear image view. And a progress bar which is initially hidden, and gets visible when the user clicks a button. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. This is the data member. In the onCreate function, first, we set up the view binding. When the load image button is clicked, we show the progress bar. Then we call the glide class with various functionalities like load, where we define the URL from where we want to download the image, placeholder attribute which shows a temporary image until the actual image is downloaded from the internet, error attribute which shows an alternative image if the actual image is not downloaded from the internet. Resize attributes like fit center, center crop, override, etc. Transform attribute to show the image view in geometrical shapes. Then, we call the listener function which has 2 callbacks, on load failed and on resource ready, where we dismiss the progress bar. Finally, we load this image into the image view. When the load image as bitmap button is clicked, first we create a target, where and how we want to load the image, where we can load the actual image as bitmap. Here we do the bitmap processing in a background thread, and show the bitmap in the image view. When the clear image view button is clicked, we clear the image view like this. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can use the Glide library to download and load an image into an image view efficiently, in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.